In this video, I'll show you how to add shapes in Google Docs. If you want to place arrows, boxes, callouts, circles, or other shapes inside a Google Docs file, the main method is to use the built-in drawing tool. To get started, open your Google Doc and click in the area where you want the shape to appear. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, choose Drawing, and then click New. This opens a separate drawing window on top of your document. Inside the drawing window, look for the Shape button in the toolbar. Click it, choose the category you want, like shapes, arrows, callouts, or equation symbols, and then pick the exact shape you need. After that, click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Once the shape is on the canvas, you can customize it before inserting it into the document. You can resize it, move it around, rotate it, and change things like the fill color, border color, and line thickness. If you want to put words inside or near the shape, you can also add text. In the drawing window, use text box or word art. This is useful for labels, flowcharts, diagrams, or step-by-step visuals inside your document. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. The drawing will then appear inside your Google Doc. If you need to change it later, click the drawing in the document and choose Edit to reopen it. So to add shapes in Google Docs, open your document, go to Insert, choose Drawing, click New, pick a shape from the toolbar, draw it on the canvas, and then click Save and Close. That's the easiest way to add custom shapes to your document for diagrams, labels, or visual design. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.